Hello everyone, I know it's been a while. Welcome back to my cooking channel. I've been taking a break just to make sure I'm moved around. Not that I've seen much more of the country, it's just that I moved from Perth to down south in Margaret River in the wine area, wine region, and I'm visiting a few more chefs, more techniques, more recipes, so stay tuned. There's more to come to that channel. A bit of French, a bit of Italian, a bit of Spanish. We're gonna do a lot of different foods coming up. Some techniques will be advanced, some techniques will be very easy. Remember, it's a channel for beginner, but I'm sure some pro can take few tips as well. So I hope you enjoy this channel. Make sure you always click the like button, you leave a comment, and please subscribe. I see you in another chapter of this life and this channel. See you later.